Hey guys, before I start the video, I just want to first of all say that sorry that there's only 2 alerts from the alerts I got on June 9th. It really is stupid because there's a slight risk for most of the LOTs area, and I'm not going to spoil anything, but I'm sorry that I only got 2 alerts that day. But without further ado, let's start off the video. Peace.
About time I can get you the discipline. It's about time, LOT.
A special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor out to mid-lake until 7:45 p.m. At 7:04 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 7 nautical miles southwest of Waukegan Harbor, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail.
My Radio Shack didn't activate because it was at a point where I couldn't get a good signal. Oh well.
Damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor and Waukegan Harbor. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio.
Alright. Let's go over to my computer because I am here with...
SPC Jefferson 1030.
Yes. And we were just talking about something. Like, just as a few minutes ago, which will make this even more funny. So tell me what you were saying, Base.
About what?
About the thing you were talking about like 2 minutes ago.
I don't remember.
How do you not remember?
I
Wait,
don't know.
it's something that makes me and you triggered. I'll give you a hint.
The SVA, possibly?
No. Okay, I'll just tell you guys what he was saying. So, he was saying that if LOT didn't issue something because there's an SPS on that expires in like 5 minutes, yeah, after the SPS, then he was gonna do something. But LOT, you listened, and you are lucky. Good job.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor.
Yo, can you hear me?
Nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan
Hold
City.
on.
Open waters from Winthrop Harbor
Okay.
to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 11:15 p.m. At 9:38 p.m., out also ahead of an area of strong thunderstorms was located along a line extending from Winthrop Harbor to Aurora to 33 nautical miles southwest of Joliet, moving southeast at 20 knots. The DuPage Airport reported wind gusts to 34 knots with this outflow. Additional stronger winds and lightning will continue at times behind the outflow. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Hammond Marina, Wilmette Harbor, Jackson Park Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Belmont Harbor, Marina Shores Edson Harbor, Winthrop Harbor, Diversey Harbor, Montrose Harbor, William Beaver Crib, Deuceable Harbor, 59th Street
Harbor.
Marina, Burnham Harbor, Indiana
Just
Harbor,
so many
and
harbor.
Waukegan Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Occasional lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, northern Iroquois County in east central Illinois, southwestern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, till 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage source. Entries. Locations impacted include Kankakee, Bourbonnais, Bradley, Mantino, Moments, Kircher, Clifton, Limestone, Grand Park, St. Anne, Chabette, Ashton, Aroma Park, Hopkins Park, Martinton, Sun River Terrace, Bondfield, Beaverville, Donovan and Salmons Point, including the following Interstate 57 between mile markers 200 follow Interstate 57 for your protection. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Iroquois County and east central Illinois, Benton County in northwestern Indiana, southern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, southern Jasper County in northwestern Indiana, until 2:45 p.m. or 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:44 p.m. or 2:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Remington to their Templin to Schuster, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour with a hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watsicon, Fowler, Kentland, Otterbein, Remington, Oxford, Chilton, Goodland, Brook, Boswell, Earl Park, Stockland, Collegeville, Woodland, Empire, Dunnington, Wadena, Swanington, Forsman, and Templeton, including the following interstate: Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 200 and 211. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
That expansion came out of nowhere. I'm gonna good signal from here.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Earlville to near Marseilles to near Seneca to 6 miles south of South Streeter, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Plainfield, Asunto, Yorkville, Morris, Shanahan, Minooka, Plano, Sandwich, Braidwood, Coal City, Dwight, Montgomery, Boulder Hill, Diamond, Seneca, Gardner, Magon, and Newark, including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 220 and 233. Interstate 80 between mile markers 103 and 122. This includes Gedhardwood State Park, Grundy County Speedway and Fairgrounds, and William G. Stratton State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh my lord. I can get this on 2 stations. 3 stations, actually.
Winds to 60 miles per hour were reported in Braidwood and to 68 miles per hour in Solomon with this line of storms. Hazard. 60 miles per hour and to 68 miles per hour in Solomon with this line of storms. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and
You have
trees.
Basie there.
Locations impacted include
I'm getting an
Merrillville,
SVR on 3
Sherville,
stations.
Hobart, Kankakee, Crown Point, Park Forest, Mokina, Bourbonnais, Frankfurt, Bradley, Cedar Lake, Steger, Lowell, Mantino, Rensselaer, Watseka, Peotone, DeMont, and Hebron, including the following interstates: Interstate 57 between mile markers 297 and 338. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 200 and 252. This includes
I didn't expect the storms to
University,
push a little
Governor
bit
State
eastward as
University,
well.
Kankakee Community College, Kankakee County Fairgrounds,
And I think this
Lake County
SVR is
Fairgrounds,
and not
Olivet
even
Nazarene
any risk at
University,
all, to be
Porter County
honest.
Fairgrounds, US 41 Dragway, and Will County Fairgrounds.
Yeah, that's really freaky.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no.
Okay, that was extremely epic and unexpected. But I am here with SBC Jefferson Temper. Okay, there we go.
1030.
Yes, all right. So, 3 stations SVR. That's pretty epic. I will see you in the next alert if necessary. Peace.